this video, we're going to talk about linking your charts together on Lightspeed Trader. So on Lightspeed Trader, the level 2 is the controller of what stock you're looking at. So you'll see that it has this yellow outline, and that means that that level 2 is the one that's in focus. So right now, all these charts are showing SPY, and this order entry is showing SPY. But if I click down here, now this one's the focus, and so they all have switched to Tesla. Now if I wanted to link certain things together, all I have to do is right click right here, come to link, and click on which level 2 window you want it to link to. So I want this one to link to Tesla because it is on this level 2 right now. I want this one to link to Tesla. This order entry, I want to link it to the SPY one. So I'm going to go link, SPY, link, and SPY. So now anytime I change something up here, it's going to change just these three. And if I change something down here, it will only change these three right here. You can also just link it to the focus. So if I go new and open up a new chart, I can link this one to the focus. So right now I can go link, and right now it is linked to the focus. That is the default for it. So when I click on cake, it's going to change this one to cake, keep this one on cake, and change this one because this is the linked to the focus. So now it'll change to SPY, linked to the focus. So that's how you link your charts. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.